Hello students, today we will start haloalkanes and haloarenes. This is the first chapter of your organic chemistry. What are haloalkanes and haloarenes? Here in both these you see the word halo. Halo means halogens. You know halogens are 17th group elements represented by the symbol X. So halogens are fluorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. But we don't consider astatine because it is a radioactive element and the compounds of astatine are very rare. And what are alkenes and arenes? Alkenes and arenes are hydrocarbons. So, haloalkanes and haloarenes are the halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. So now let us study haloalkanes and haloarenes definition. Haloalkanes. So we know alkanes. Alkanes are aliphatic hydrocarbons. They are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons. The general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. So if we consider n is N1, which hydrocarbon we get? Methane. So this is methane, CH4. If we replace any one of the hydrogen atom by halogen, what do we get? We get CH3X, or we can write example CH3Cl. It is haloalkane. Similarly, chloro, ethane, chloropropane, like that we can write. So, haloalkanes are halogen derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons obtained by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms by halogen atoms. Okay, understood what are haloalkanes? Now, let us see what are haloarenes. Arenes means aromatic hydrocarbons which contain benzene ring. They follow Hockel rule. So let us consider the first member of aromatic hydrocarbon, that is benzene. This formula of benzene is C6H6. So if we replace any one of the hydrogen atom by a halogen atom, we get halogen atom X or Cl. If we replace, we get chlorobenzene. This is haloarene. So what are haloarenes? Haloarenes are the halogen derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons obtained by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms by halogen atoms. So these are haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now let us study about its classification. Classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. They are classified based on the number of halogen atoms. You see here, this contain one halogen atom, this also contain one halogen atom. They may contain more than one halogen atoms also. So, depending upon the number of halogen atoms present in one molecule, the haloalkanes and haloarenes are classified into three types. So that is, this classification is based on number of halogen atoms. So based on the number of halogen atoms present in a molecule, the halogen compounds, that is haloalkanes, are classified into three types. They are monohalogen compounds. Second, dihalogen compounds. And the third one is polyhalogen compounds. Polyhalogen compounds. So here, monohalogen compounds means they contain only one halogen atom in a molecule. Dihalogen compounds contain two halogen atoms in a molecule, and polyhalogen compounds contain more than two halogen atoms in a molecule. Examples for monohalogen compounds we can write methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, etc. For second type, dihalogen compounds, we can give the examples CH2X, CH2X. For polyhalogen compounds, they contain more than two, three or more. So, example for polyhalogen compounds, we can give the example CH2X, CHX, CH2X. While writing the structure, you have to see that the valency of all the carbon atoms should be satisfied. Therefore, here terminal is CH2, this is CH, this is CH2. So, these are the three types of halogen compounds based on the number of halogen atoms present in a molecule. Now, let us study all these separately. Monohalogen compounds. What are monohalogen compounds? Monohalogen compounds are the halogen derivatives of they are the halogen compounds in which only one hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen atom. In this these contain only one halogen atom. So they contain only one halogen atom. Now these monohalogen compounds are further classified into two types. On the basis of classification, on the basis of nature of carbon atom to which this halogen atom is attached. Here CH3X. I have written CH3X. This carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridized means it is bonded to 4 atoms or groups. That means it contains 4 sigma bonds. So it is a sp3 hybridized. It can be sp2 hybridized also. The carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached can be sp2 hybridized. Therefore, monohalogen compounds are classified into two types. They are, first one, compounds, that is halogen compounds containing halogen on sp3 hybridized carbon. Hybridized carbon atom. And the second one is compounds containing halogens. Compounds containing halogen on sp2 hybridized carbon. sp2 hybridized carbon. So let us study these two types. First one is compounds containing halogen on carbon atom. In this, the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So here they are further classified into 3 types. These compounds are further classified. The compounds containing halogen or sp3 hybridized carbon, these compounds are of 3 types. They are further classified into 3 types. They are alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. Second one, allylic halides. Allylic halides. And the third one is benzylic halides. So let us study these 3 types of compounds, halogen compounds. First one is alkyl halides. Here, alkyl, this contains 2 groups, alkyl group and the halogen. Halide means halogen. Alkyl. What is meant by alkyl group? Alkyl group means we get alkyl group by subtracting 1 hydrogen from alkane. So alkane minus hydrogen gives alkyl. Alkyl groups are represented by the symbol R. Alkyl groups means alkane minus hydrogen forms alkyl. For example, let us consider methane, CH4. If we remove 1 hydrogen from this, we get methyl. This is an alkyl group, methyl group, methyl, ethyl, these are alkyl group. So this contains alkyl group plus halogen. Alkyl group, so if we remove methyl, alkyl group, say for example methyl plus Cl or halogen X, if we write, this is alkyl halide. So what is the general formula of alkanes? The general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. If we remove 1 hydrogen, what will be the formula for alkyl halides? The general formula for alkyl halides will be CnH2n plus 1 into X. Because 1 hydrogen atom, if we replace by halogen, so 1 hydrogen atom we remove and we replace by halogen. Therefore, general formula for alkyl halides is CnH2nX. So, how do we define alkyl halides? Alkyl halides are halogen compounds, that is monohalogen compounds, which have general formula CnH2n plus 1 into X. What are alkyl halides? These are the alkyl halides are the monohalogen compounds which have general formula CnH2n plus 1 into X. Now alkyl halides are further classified into 3 types. There are 3 types of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are of 3 types. They are, first one, primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide. Second one, secondary alkyl halide. And the third one is tertiary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halides can also be represented as 1 degree alkyl halides. This is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alkyl halides. So what are primary alkyl